Okay, hi everybody, welcome. So we are going to do a step-by-step process on how to solve a compound interest formula. So we're going to be starting with doing exercise 5. So in exercise 5, it asks us to find t, the number of years. So then first, Python is asking us to assign variables to a value. So in mathematics, we know that p is equal to the principal. R is the annual interest rate. N is the number of times that interest rate is compounded per year, and so on. So we have to use these. So we have to use these values into our equation, which is below. So to do that, we have to assign those values to a variable, which 10,000 is going to be assigned to P, 12 is going to be assigned to N, 0.08, which is originally 8%, but we have to convert it to a decimal number, is equal to R. Okay, so because we have to tell the user to enter the number of years, we have to use the input function. The input function is really helpful in Python because it allows the user or anybody to enter whatever number of value they want to add. It's basically like an interaction with the user, kinda. So to do that, we have to use the input key, parentheses, enter the number of years. So basically, this green thing is called a string. So all these numbers, like words, are considered a string in Python. We use the quotation marks to indicate to Python that these are strings, non-integers. Integers and strings are, so basically integers are numbers and strings are just letters, words, and yeah. So then we have to use parentheses over those, and then we have to use a double one because of this. Okay, so to get started, we have to plug these values and variables into our equation. So P, which is originally 10,000, so P times parentheses 1 plus R over N, parentheses extract, which in Python means exponents, parentheses N times T. So because Python doesn't know that we are going to be multiplying P into this equation, it doesn't know that because it assumes that the parentheses is not equal to multiplication. So that's why we have to remind Python to use this asterisk sign. And same for here, because if we just add N to T, Python's going to think that these two variables are connected in a way. So we have to just remind Python that N has to be times to T. And so to do that, to get our answer, we have to use the print command. So the print command just prints out all of these statements right here. So let's run this problem. So let's say enter the number of years. We can come up with any years. Let's say I'll just enter 10 years. Voila, we get this number.